When you search for blemish and blackhead removal tools, everything looks the same. Same shiny photos, same claims about effectiveness. But to understand what really works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, JPNK Blackhead Remover Kit. The JPNK Blackhead Remover Comedone Extractor Acne Removal Kit. Priced at $7.99, this kit caught my attention thanks to its sleek stainless steel design. If you want to tackle blackheads and blemishes at home without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features various tools that can remove blackheads and acne effectively. The anti-slip handles provide better control, making it easier to avoid damaging your skin while extracting blemishes. With over 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that people are finding value in this kit. Now, some people complained about the need for proper technique to avoid skin damage. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to learn how to use these tools properly, you'll get great results. It's not a deal breaker, just a bit of a learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable starter kit for blackhead removal. Skip this one if you're not willing to invest a little time in learning how to use the tools effectively. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if learning to use a tool set feels daunting, this next one takes a more straightforward approach. Product number 2, UWIS Blackhead Remover Kit. The UWIS 5 pieces Blackhead Remover Comedone Extractor Kit, which is even cheaper at $5.39. I was drawn to it because of its dual head design, which promises versatility. If you're after a simple yet comprehensive solution, this might be your pick. What's great about these tools is that they're made from dermatologist-grade stainless steel, which means they won't rust and are safe on your skin. Each tool features 2 heads for different types of blemishes, providing you flexibility in your skincare routine. Plus, the anti-slip handle ensures you maintain control while removing stubborn blackheads. With over 8,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many people trust this kit. Now, some users pointed out that the instructions could be clearer, but honestly, if you're willing to follow a basic guide, the simplicity of these tools makes it manageable. It's a small downside for a kit that works well. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly set that covers all your extraction needs. Skip this one if you prefer more advanced techniques, since it's designed for straightforward use. Overall, it's a great bargain. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more specialized approach. Product number 5, Kizoot Carburetor. Last but not least is the Kizoot 128 CD Carburetor, priced at $17.99. I found it interesting because it promises a perfect fit for several Husqvarna models. If you want to ensure your trimmer runs at its best, this is worth a serious look. This carburetor replaces several OEM cart numbers and is designed to improve the performance of your trimmer. It's compatible with a wide range of models, which means it could be the solution if you're having trouble with your current carburetor. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A well-functioning carburetor translates to better fuel efficiency and smoother operation. Now, some users reported that it was tricky to install. Here's the thing though, if you follow the installation guides and watch a few tutorials, you should manage just fine. It's not a deal breaker by any means. This is perfect for you if you're looking to replace a faulty carburetor without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you want a plug-and-play part without any setup. Product number 4, HFYWHT Disposable Lancets. We have the HFYWHT 100 pieces disposable lancets for $5.99. I found this option intriguing because it offers 100 sterile tools in one pack. If you want a no-fuss, hygienic solution to blemish removal, this could be what you need. These disposable needles are designed for easy and effective blemish removal without the need for extensive tools. They're compact and portable, making it easy to maintain your skincare routine anywhere. With a focus on hygiene, these tools are crafted to reduce redness and swelling, which is essential for safe extraction. Having sold 5,000 units recently, it's clear there's a demand for convenience in skincare. Some users reported that they could be too sharp for beginners, but honestly, if you're careful and understand how to use them, they're incredibly effective. The trade-off for the convenience they provide is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want an easy and hygienic way to manage blemishes. Skip this if you prefer traditional extraction tools, as these are more one-time use. For the value, it's an excellent investment in your skincare. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more durable, the last product on my list could be the one for you. Product number 5, Tenitter Pimple Extractor. We have the Tenitter Pimple Extractor tool, which is priced at $4.29. I was impressed by its surgical-grade stainless steel construction and its 2-in-1 functionality. If you want a reliable tool that offers multiple extraction methods, this is definitely worth considering. This kit includes a sharp needle point for opening pores and multiple loops for different sizes of blemishes. It's easy to use and helps you get a professional-like result at home, making it perfect for beginners. Plus, the stainless steel ensures it's hygienic and easy to clean. With over 5,000 sold, it's becoming a favorite among users. Some users have expressed concern about using it on immature acne, but here's the thing. If you're disciplined about when you use it, the results can be fantastic. Just remember to avoid using it on any inflamed spots. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a starter kit that's easy to use and effective. Skip this if you're not comfortable with basic extraction techniques. It's a great value for the quality you get. So, there you have it. The JPNK kit offers an affordable introduction. The UWIS is budget-friendly and versatile. Vibecur specializes in precision. HFYWHT provides convenience with disposables, and Tenitter combines durability with functionality. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your needs. Happy blemish busting!